Hello and welcome back, and you're watching Cards of Destiny on Sunrise TV with Payal. हम अभी कॉलर से बात कर रहे थे. During break also my calls were on, and I spoke to her husband as well, if you remember, Shilpa. And it's very nice talking to you, Shilpa, and your husband. I hope you all a very, very lovely future and all the best from all of us. Thank you so much for calling. We have another caller, Mr. Vinod, online. So let's see, Mr. Vinod. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Vinod. How are you?
I'm fine, not bad. How are you?
Yeah, thank you. I'm good as well. So, आपका सवाल?
I'd like to know a few things about my life.
Sure.
First one is how my life is going to be in the future.
What is going to be in future? So, can you be more elaborate in terms of what is going to be? I mean, is it financial? Sorry?
I don't know about my financial situation.
About your financial situation, okay. Is there anything else also you would like to know? I mean,
yeah, two more questions. Whether business is good for me or job.
Okay, so first we'll take about your financial situation as on from today onwards, and how is it going to be?
Okay.
So let's select one card in between 1 to 79, please.
15.
All right, so we select a card number 15. This is 15. Can I ask you, since how many years you are having this financial problems?
About 2 years.
2 years. So I'm very sorry to tell you, Vinod, that you have to go through some more time, because I don't see for another couple of years, you know, that you'll be out of financial debts of yours.
Okay.
And but in that case, I could just tell you some other things which is definitely very positive. However, let's check that. Have you given your money to any of your friends or colleagues or anybody?
No.
No, okay. Don't do that as well. Because the chances are very less that you get the money refund, okay? However, I would say one more thing is that in case if you have a partner in your life, could be marriage, wife or anybody, just try to make them happy as much as possible. Can you please lower the volume of the TV, please? I can hear that.
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Hello?
Hello, yeah.
Yeah, sorry. So I said, if in case if you have a partner or girlfriend or wife or anybody, any lady in your life, you know, whom you love or who loves you, whatever, whichever way, in a very positive manner, just try to make her happy as much as possible, because through that happiness, I can see a peace of mind. Maybe at this moment you are not even at peace of mind, you know, which your stars are saying, and however, because of that, you're quite disturbed in your life. Is it true?
Yeah.
Yeah. So try and make the opposite partner of yours very happy, and believe me, you will have a self-satisfaction within you in terms of I would not say monetary benefits, because I do not see anywhere monetary sign, but whenever you spend money on your partner, you will definitely get money. I mean, you know, if your partner says that I want to buy X thing today, you just wonder that tomorrow you get the money for her. Really? I mean that's the strength in your partner. Maybe you will never have money in your life, but your partner will always have money in her life. Yeah, so just I would recommend, one thing is do that, and second thing is whatever business or job you are doing, maybe you have to defocus from that. I mean to say, you may have to have a different path in your life. Because what the cards are saying is that your focus is not very sharp enough at this moment. So I guess your next question was about job or business, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
So maybe that's the reason we're not able to get this answer well. So let's see that as. Because many a times what happens is we decide something, it happens to be something else, and we end up doing something else, which is very common today.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
It's like a doctor goes in, he becomes I'm not a doctor, I would say an engineer. Instead of going for, some electronic items or anything, he goes to become a doctor. So it's two different, phases of life. So that's the thing with you at this moment. So let's check that whether a business is good for you or job is good for you, right?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. So select one card in between 1 to 79, please.
9.
Okay, it's 9. This is for your job. And select one more card.
19.
19, okay. Yeah, this is card number 19. This is for your business. So let's see which is better for you. Job or business? What are you doing currently?
Currently I'm doing a job here.
Okay. Do you face a lot of dual personality in your job?
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Is it true?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So that means job is not, because in job what I can see right now at this moment is in job, even ever, not only today I'm saying, even in future, if you do job, you will never be satisfied in terms of there will be somebody who will be always backbiting you and who will never allow you to grow in future. However, if I see your business, okay, in your business you have your own independent, plus it is a successful, you can have your own peak level in your business, which is also a very good sign. If you can see this card of success, which talks about doing great things in life. However, it also has a sad point attached to it, is you may sometimes feel that no, whatever I was doing in past was better, and maybe that's the reason you may fall down. But however, I would say that in case if you don't look at this card, if you don't even think that your past is better, then you make a very good future with your business. And if you talk about what type of business also, which I can tell you is more about something which is something to do I would say something of free type, something like Kera Dam type business. So can you tell me what business are you planning for?
Planning for like the dairy farms.
Sorry?
The food industry.
No, I didn't get you, sorry.
I'm thinking about the food industry.
Food industry is good, okay, but you can think about something into flower also as well, along with the food industry, something to do with creativity or something to do with international, going abroad and working something internationally would also be positive. However, Mr. Vinod, I'm sorry, at this moment we'll just hold your line for a minute, please. It's time to close, and I would just request you that there are callers which I'm not able to pick up their line due to certain time restrictions. However, I can meet you during the off-air calls between 8 and 9, and you have the numbers coming on your screen as well. I would request you please call up, and it's the right time कि अगर आपको कहीं लगे कि आपको किसी से भी बात करनी है, you can call up, and I'll be happy to meet you, visit you again, and wish you all the very best luck to each and every viewer of Sunrise. Thank you so much, and be in tune. Thank you.